Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can change the color of notes on Instagram. The first step guys you need is go to App Store as you can see here and go to Instagram and click here. As you can see here guys, the source bar on Instagram and application is updated. Option is not updated guys, you should be updated to latest version on the app, and open the app guys and log in into your account. After that, go to your unbox section as you can see here. In my case guys, I don't have yet the color, but you just need to change the notes text, and after that you will be visible, and as you can see here you will be gold note. And this is how you can do guys, and make sure that note you must include to the word gold. You only have the option to change the color, and click the word and add the gold, and after that your note will be gold. I hope guys this video helpful, and don't forget subscribe and like, share this video for more content.